Now we're ready. Today, we're getting the engine out one way or another. It's coming out. This is getting cleaned. Trans is coming out. It's getting cleaned. Everything's getting cleaned. And then hopefully we can get it back in. That's the plan. Let's get at it. Alright, so pulled the transmission, cleaned it up a little bit. Probably hit it again, maybe, I don't know. Looks decent. Not too worried about it. But, yep, got that out. Next is the motor. Alright, so right now, I'm scrubbing this fucker. I got the front pretty good. Gonna do some more. Got this decent. Gonna work some more down here. Basically, simple green. Spray, spray, spray. I'm not gonna record a lot of this because I'm gonna spare you from that, because this is not fun to watch or do, I imagine. So just kind of show you what I'm doing here. Sorry, shake cam. Yeah, basically just scrubbing it, trying to get in all the little crevices the best that I can and get it nice and shiny. But it is hard, to say the least, so yeah, I'm just working on it as I go, slowly. It's a pain, but it's gonna be worth it in the end. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Gross. Ew. Haven't even gotten to the backside yet. So that's gonna be a pain. But yeah, that's what I'm getting done right now. I'll check back in when I get it all done. Alright, so been scrubbing this down. It's looking pretty good. Got some a little bit more stuff to clean, but that's the back side. Gotta clean down there a little bit more. Timing case looks good. And the front side is looking pretty decent, so might get at it a little bit more. Not sure. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. And then while this was kind of drying, I started to clean up in here a little bit. That's looking better, so yeah. So as you can see, I've been getting at it. Really trying to get this done in a timely manner. You like how swift that was? That was pretty good, huh? Yeah, I'm trying to get it done in a timely manner. I want to do some burnouts. Hopefully I can get it done here soon. Gotta sell a couple plenum kits. Other than that, it's coming along slowly but surely, much slower than I would like it to. Ideally, in a perfect world, you would have everything you need, slap it all up, bam, 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 do that. We don't. I'm a broke dick Sentra owner, aka BDSO, so I do what I can when I can, and yeah, leave it at that. So that'll be all for this video today. Hope you guys enjoy. Keep it DIY. Keep having fun. Peace.